Hey guys, welcome to this Minecraft Let's Play. I don't know what's going on. Why can't I click away? Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, welcome to this Minecraft Let's Play. I recently, today even, a couple hours ago, posted a video of another Minecraft Let's Play on Minecraft Pocket Edition, but that didn't really work out, so I hope this works out better. It might be lagging a little. I don't know. I know it's not that great of quality, but so I just want to say something about my Pokemon Nuzlocke. Also, I only noticed that oh sorry, background noises by the way. But I only noticed that the Minecraft Let's Play was like that after it was posted, because it wasn't like all glitched out before I posted it. Also, I never have a script for my videos, and there's almost always background noise because, well, that's just how it is sometimes. So anyway, the Pokemon Nuzlocke, really quick. I will be continuing that, but the battery was like empty. I don't know how to speak. uh, the battery was empty before I got this chance to save and to save all my progress. So I will be replaying that off camera, exactly the same way, trying to do it exactly the same way as I did on my Nuzlocke. And also the episodes were and still are gonna be really short, and that is because my phone doesn't have much space, and that's what I use to record. Also, I'm gonna try to post more drawing. And another thing, I recently started high school. I don't know why I'm not just grabbing wood in Minecraft. I recently started high school, and that's great. I made some friends who accept me, even though I'm a furry, which is one of the most hated communities on the internet, I think. And they are not furries themselves, but they do share another thing in common with me, which is all three of us, four, sorry. All four of us like anime. I said three at first because I forgot to include me. But yeah, all four of us, including me, we all like anime. And my favorite subjects, I like art, obviously, but I also really like French and Dutch because we have, and also English. We have Dutch. Oh, I especially like them because I like the teachers, but we have Dutch because we're in the Netherlands. It's like English for people in England or America. But we also have English, and that's pretty easy for me. I mostly speak English at home, and if you couldn't tell, if you're a new person, or you just couldn't tell by this video, I speak English in my videos, my YouTube videos. If you guys would want that, I could make a video saying some things in Dutch. That you guys request. and now I don't really know what to say. I'm in January, which is not that soon, but in January 27th, that's gonna be my birthday, so don't forget. And that's when I'm gonna be turning 13 years old. Not gonna say to which school I'm going because privacy reasons. Yeah. Also, I plan to do art and gaming things on my YouTube channel, but if you guys have okay. Hey guys, I am sorry about that. My mom walked in and I had to do something. So, okay, why can't I just... Why is this not working? I guess I can just do this. I don't really know what else to do. I'm just gonna do all of it. I don't really care. Finally. Yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna turn 13, 27th of January, like I said. Also, I am saving up for fursuit materials because I want to make a fursuit. And I also want a fursuit. So, I am doing a lot of I am watching a lot of tutorials, and I'm doing a lot of research and stuff. I don't know. Also, yeah, I don't know where I already said this, but I never script my videos. I just say random things and hope it's good. Oh, my... I'm going to record the Minecraft video. I'm right now recording a Minecraft video. My brother just walked in. If I
Why
could...
do you have an ink sac?
I don't know. I just grabbed it out of the ocean. Oh, okay. So if I will put his YouTube channel. I will link his YouTube channel down below.
I thought you were going to record on your phone. Hey.
Yeah, I was at first, but that didn't work out.
I want to do a let's play together. Hey, who cares?
Yeah, but I'm recording right now. I'm recording right now.
Yeah,
so
you've literally not made any progress. Listen, this is exactly what I would do. If I were you, I would make a crafting table right now.
Shut up.
Make some sticks, make a pickaxe, grab stone and make stone tools, and then get diamonds, then complete Minecraft. That's how you do it. Okay, look, I know you have to complete Minecraft. You need to go to the end.
Yeah, I know, but
Ender Dragon.
please, I'm just trying to record my Minecraft let's play. I know this is not a very good strategy.
Just running around in the forest at night, or what?
Yes.
Schmeck. You know, it would be way easier if you would just been playing with mouse potato.
Yeah, but I don't.
You're not gonna get any wool, probably.
I am gonna get wool. One of my OCs is a see, I got wool. Wait, you didn't see that. Never mind. Okay. One of my OCs is a sheep, so I'm killing their kind.
Say sorry to your OC right now.
I'm sorry, my OC. Her name is Claudia because Cloud. And sheeps. Why did I say fox? It says almost like a sheep. Sheep are basically walking clouds, so that's why I named.
That's exactly true.
That's
why is your Where's your
Oh,
other
a creeper,
AC
creeper.
Moon Cloud Foxy then? Moon
I
Cloud.
don't know. I randomly named her. Oh no, 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 no,
Okay,
no.
I'm gonna draw some furry art.
Oh no. Oh no. Hey, that's okay. I don't care. I didn't die, so. Sheep, get back. Oof. Sheep, get back here. Where are you? There. Okay. I shall kill you. Okay. If you couldn't tell already, I'm not the best at Minecraft.
No, your dream, like you're the best. Your dream and George. You're the
Okay.
best Minecrafter ever. Oh no, wait, you're better than Technoblade as well. You're the best Minecrafter 2020.
Wow.
Obviously, she's not.
You know, I can hear you, right? And
yeah, wait, I forgot.
And I know
stupid.
I know you're just skeleton.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Also, I know that it was just sarcasm or something.
Okay.
But you're bad at sarcasm, and I'm bad at Minecraft. So
yeah, it's basically a fair thing. Sarcasm bad. Yeah.
Oh, what's going on? No, stop it.
So step
I'm
one,
not even
that.
gonna look back.
Step two, do that. Step three.
Why am I jumping?
Ears.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll end the video here.
I'm drawing my furry art.
Goodbye. Wait. Goodbye, guys.